Namaste, this is your friend, guru and guide Pooja Sharma, and this video I'm going to tell you how you can be super rich. Yes, like they say, honey, it's all about money. So today's video, if you watch till the end, I guarantee that you would start manifesting a lot of wealth and abundance in your life. So watch this video till the end and also share it with everybody whomsoever you love. Now in this video, I'm not only going to talk about how to make more money, but also we're going to talk about finances. And the remedies that I'm sharing here are a combination of astrology as well as Vastu remedies. Okay? So now, number one, please understand in terms of Vastu, when we talk about direction, and we have to pick up a direction for your finances. Okay, finances overall, it's not just your salary that you take home every month, that paycheck. No, that's your career. That's it. Finances overall, abundance of the house. So the best direction or the direction that we see is northeast. Okay, so now here are the I will say 8 remedies or 8 tips using which you can have more abundance in your life. Now please understand, northeast is always considered to be a very auspicious direction. If your northeast is good or you don't have any vastu dosh in your northeast, then you get divine blessings and divine abundance. That is, you get money at all the level. You get universal help. आपका कोई भी काम रुकता नहीं है. That is okay. So now, what are the remedies? Quickly moving on to that. Number one, okay, I will say just take a compass. Every mobile phone, every smartphone has a compass to check the direction. Make sure not everybody will have a northeast facing house. Whatever house's direction is. Number one tip, make sure your northeast is always lighter than your southwest. That's tip number one. So northeast is light, and when you move towards southwest, you can keep all your junk and heavy furniture and your store or heavy electronics in your southwest. So that southwest is the heaviest part in terms of weight or energy of the house. So that's your first tip. Number 2 tip is you can use Shri Yantra or Gomti Chakra. Okay, and if you want, you can place your orders with us. Not just the Shri Yantra you have to pick up or Gomti Chakras. It is advisable that if you're with your birth details, you get it programmed and Pran Pratishit. That is where the role of healers comes into picture. So you can procure it from a healer. If you want from us, we'll take your birth details and send it across to you. So number 3 tip is, always remember charity. Charity to animals in whatever form you can. Okay, see the idea. Now next few tips of mine here in this video to attract abundance is about simple philosophy. The more you give, shall you receive. These are universal laws. For example, law of gravity. No matter which part of globe you go to, if you throw something up, it will come down. That's law of gravity. Similarly, law of abundance. There are times when people don't have jobs, especially these days, or there are also times when they have a job. The inflow of money is not an issue, but some or the other expenses will come due to which they're not able to save. It's like a pitcher with a hole in it. You're filling the water from the top, but it's leaking. So the deal is, how do you put a patch on that pitcher? Okay, so it could be any scenario. It could be a scenario wherein the inflow is not there for the money. It could be a scenario where inflow is there but you're not able to save because unnecessary expenses are happening. Bottom line is, you have a financial energy block. So these tips are catering to that. Okay, so we've already spoken about your northeast being lighter than southwest. We've spoken about Gomti Chakra and Shri Yantra. Third tip I've already shared with you, which is about charity to animals, and we're going to talk about in next few more tips about giving. Your point number 4 or tip number 4 is, please make water arrangements and grain arrangements for birds. Okay, feed them. So you can keep one earthen pot for water and 1 earthen pot for grains so that birds can have it. You can put it in your balcony, terrace, wherever you stay, doesn't matter. Please ensure that you wash those earthen pots every day and they're just not kept there for the heck of it, and you do it with your own hands. Don't ask the maids to do it, because then you will see your maids are getting rich and they're quitting their jobs and then you are panicking. Okay. The next tip is very simple. Try and do some charity for cows. You can give something in cow shed or you can feed them. That would really help. Similarly, I would say you can give some donation to orphanage or old age places or homes or shelters where you have handicaps or less fortunate people. That will also help. Also, one more tip I'll give is wearing few crystals like citron will also help. Again, programming of or Pran Pratishthit crystal is very, very important. Now also remember, these are all general remedies that we've shared today of being abundant. And if you want, as per your horoscope, if you want to know which crystal you should wear, or you want to get your own personalized Vastu visit done online or face to face. And finally, the 8th tip. I promise you 8 tips, right? Donate 7 grains, जिसे हम सतनाजा भी कहते हैं. So when I say 7 grains, that could be your गेहूं, your rice, chawal, bajra, and any lentil or dal, sabut dal. So you can take rajma, you can take safed chana, you can take kala chana. So you can pick up 7 grains, mix them, or separately donate it. That's satnaja. You have to do that. Remember, northeast is the direction of water element and it's a direction of prosperity. So we have to give so that we receive. Now, how much quantity? People always ask me, Pooja ji, how much quantity? I will tell you the basic logic. So if your, let's say, weight is 60 kgs, ideally you can give 60 kgs, or you can pick up the number 6 and then you can give 6 kgs. Or, so what you could do is, you have to arrive at a number of 6. You can give total 7 grains that you give could be 6 kgs, something like you can do. So accordingly, if your weight is 75 kg, 80 kg, ideally, that's how you donate it. That's more meaningful. You can donate as you wish or whatever your pocket allows, but that's normally the basic concept in astrology or Vastu remedies. So I'm very positive if you do these 8 tips, you will start receiving abundance in your life, in your house, for everybody in your family who stays in that house. And that's it for now. Do share comments if you have any questions or feedback. We shall reply back. And as I said, these are all general remedies. If you want specific remedies or you want any crystal or Sri Yantra with programming, you can always contact us at the details mentioned in our description box. And that's it for now. I'll take your leave with all my best wishes. Namaste.